Yo, yo, yo.
What's up? Good evening, good morning, good day, afternoon, whatever it is
Good
for you guys.
everything. The markets are good because we sold off, so it's a good day. I was waiting for this sell off for so long as well. I'm pretty sure we made high of the year, like 30th of October. Pretty good, pretty good. Should be able to continue pushing. Did you see gold? This market's been stuck inside of a chop.
Yeah, gold is horrible.
Bro, Gideon's late again.
Gideon, where is Gideon? Get him out here.
He quit. He said he couldn't take it anymore. He
Yeah,
couldn't take the stress of being a mod. It takes a toll on a guy.
yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys were in the stream with me and Finn on Friday, but again, we spoke about wanting these lows. If I go into the 4 hour, the 10th of October lows, finally got them yesterday. We sold off like 1,000 points, which is pretty crazy. But I think today we can get something like this. If we go higher to go lower, would make the most sense. Seeing how this market's moving. Morning. How are you guys doing? Did you guys take a trade today? I actually took longs. I think me and Finn both took longs today.
I think we were in the same position, about the same position.
Right here.
Hey, Rajesh. How are you doing? I'm doing good.
Doing good. Can't complain.
Yeah, I had to trade for him a little bit lower though. I took the 1 minute inversion.
Yeah, you took it like down here, I think.
Yeah.
Was a pretty good trade. Hello, Finn, your risk manager here.
Yeah. Hello.
You have a risk manager?
Yeah.
Finn trades at a trading floor. That's his manager.
Finn's voice is high and rough. Okay, now Gideon needs to be here for saying that you're not audible.
Bro, every single time, that's all he says.
Is it now a little bit more like the same if I put the mic away further away from me?
To me, you sound fine. Took any trades today? Yeah, I took longs with my trusty model to the highs. I mean, to be honest, you guys have been watching or understanding my model for a while now. You should have taken this as well.
To be fair, that was a scary position to be in from down there because it went up and then it went down a lot and then it went up again.
Yeah, it was chopping a lot.
You want to know something about this position? I was with my wife in the car and I just told her, take a trade here when this happens. And she took the trade. And then I said, go out here. And she went out. So it was pretty much an AFK trade for me.
Bro's automated the strategy. That's a new form of automation.
I hope I don't get banned from firms because I was not trading the account.
You took a few losses already, bro. What did you even do? You know, I'll just give you some easy game from 4:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. 9:15. This time window, just do nothing within the market, right? Just do nothing. Like, don't trade, don't look to do anything. Just don't do anything. If you take losses, don't trade within this cycle within the market, because if you're not experienced, if you don't know what you're doing, you're going to get cooked. So just sit on your hands and don't do anything.
Even I know what I'm doing. I never trade between sessions.
Yeah, exactly. You're going to be more prone to losses easily.
Yeah. It's like, take a trade outside of the session, and even your A+ setup will not play out.
Yeah, very. It's the easiest way to run down your account's equity, in my opinion. Just sit still. I know it's hard, but you can do it. Friday is when we should avoid trading. You can trade pretty much every day, but you got to have enough discipline to be like, today I'm not going to trade, or I don't really need to trade today. But I guess everyone's different. Everyone feels that they need to trade. I'm waiting for gold. Dude, gold has been in a chop for a while. It was actually really clean today with my model. We took the low to the high. It's actually been very clean. What happened to Bitcoin? I don't know. Let's take a look. Holy, Bitcoin got smoked.
Yeah. I've seen that. A lot of people are panicking now. It's almost at 80K.
Bro, imagine if Bitcoin gets to like sub 10K again. That would be funny.
That'd be crazy. Then ICT doesn't have to remove his YouTube because he called it.
What if we just go back to the very beginning of Bitcoin?
Wow. Back to 2012. That'd be crazy. But like, you know, there will always be people that are like, nah, I'm still not gonna do it.
I don't know. I would only stop buying this thing if it was at a point where no one else was buying it. I was actually targeting this gap. If you guys were in the stream, I said I was targeting 90K on Bitcoin. This was a while ago. I even told you guys about this sell-off on NQ I was looking for those lows from 10th of October. If you go back to the stream on Monday, see it right there. Do you guys give payouts in crypto?
Well, no, not right
only
now.
Rise, right?
Also Rise, only Rise. Yeah. Not right now.
I'm 17. Don't you have to be 18 to trade your prop firms?
Yes, even to trade overall.
Bro just snitched on himself.
What is the name again?
Of what?
Yeah, you cannot buy an account still. You have to be 18. When are you when are you gonna be 18?
His birthday's tomorrow.
Yeah, then wait for tomorrow. Yes, it's not about the skills, it's about the regulation. Just as you're not allowed to gamble when you're below 18 or drink.
As soon as you turn 18, you can start gambling prop firm challenges.
That's not meant to be said in one word. Or one sentence.
As soon as you turn 18, you're allowed into this world.
pretty much what it feels like.
You want to work, bro? You can take Gideon's job. Is he even in the chat today?
I don't know. I don't know where Gideon is. Maybe we should be worried.
Wait, didn't you
He's
say you
never
were
late.
17, bro? You already took 3 payouts. You just self-snitched for Cook.
Wow. You know, it's actually
should've just-
illegal to do that.
So you just admitted to committing a crime, bro.
Yeah, it's not good.
We have no other option but to hand you over to Gideon.
Uh-oh. No, I don't want to be handed over to Gideon, to be fair. It's pretty scary.
Yeah,
It can be pretty scary sometimes.
You literally just admitted to committing a crime. Like, it's even worse that you use someone else's details.
That's
Like-
even in the FAQ. You're not allowed to.
Like, everything you can't do, you did, and you admitted to it.
I actually have to be careful for it because you can be banned for life and then you cannot trade.
Damn.
Well, it's not even only at that prop firm. It's also across others. So I would wait until you're 18.
Come on, give me this. Thank you. Did you see Nvidia sell off as well?
Yeah, that's crazy.
That was crazy. That was a huge rug. Michael Burry's gonna
be rich.
Is he still holding his short? I'm pretty sure we have the high of the year already put in, so
Yeah,
most stocks and stuff should sell off.
He's holding. I just called him. He told me.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
Dude, Apple was
crazy.
generational. I'll never get over that long.
It's crazy, right?
Honestly, I hope stocks do sell off into 2026. Number one, it'll cause mayhem.
I hope crypto will sell off as well, though. To be fair.
Yeah, if all those markets sell off, it just causes mayhem, and
mayhem is where we make money.
Yeah. As sad as it sounds, that's just trading.
Isn't that a quote from Warren Buffett?
It is. No, it's a quote
when everyone...
from me that Warren Buffett
took.
took.
Okay. True, yeah, that's true. I forgot that.
Yeah,
when everyone is fearful, be greedy, and when everyone is greedy, be fearful. Ooh. That's your quote, right?
Wait, I have a good quote. When you day trade, always buy low and sell high.
Oh, that's a good one. I'm gonna write that one down.
That's a really good one. I don't think anyone's ever said that.
No, I'm actually gonna write that one down.
Is this a crime if I day trade? You know what, bro? You just test it out, and then you let me know if it's a crime. Any idea when the time of Project X? I think it's next month, right? And then you guys get Tradeovate.
Oh, we cannot see. It's when you day trade, buy low and sell high. Yes. New platforms are coming soon, guys, and we'll all be smooth. I'll be viewing your stream from jail. Legit. What will be the process of learning trading if someone already knows the basics? If you know the basics and you have a strategy, then it's only working on yourself, because initially it's all in your head. And if you want to be the top 1% and not one of the 4 or the 15 or the 79, 80%, then you really have to control yourself.
Bro, dollar actually gained some strength right now. I didn't expect that. Ooh.
That I didn't expect them to get some momentum either, though, to be fair.
Oh, actually, it makes sense. To be honest, we have end of year coming up. We only have a month left. Maybe
Right.
we've already made the low down here. We finally got NFP numbers and stuff come out. Took a while, but finally got that. I'm hoping they don't sell it straight off at this open. I want to see it go higher to go
Same, yeah.
lower. Like 24 400s looks like a decent area for us to get into. But the longs were pretty nice. Maybe a Santa Claus rally.
Santa Claus rally.
Maybe on the DXY, yeah. But I would like a Grinch sell off on every stock and crypto market there is. That would be great. I was waiting for this sell off on indices for so long. Finally, we got it. Now I
Camel
don't know
bear.
where to target. Yeah. This is the only time I get to be a bear. And it plays out. I get like 2 weeks of being a bear, then the rest is just bulls.
To be fair, trading wise, I think 2026 is going to be crazy year.
I hope so. 2025 was really good, to be honest. I'm not gonna.
Yeah, only the beginning of the year was unfortunate when 1 minute candle would like teleport like 100 points.
Dude, every 1 minute. What is it right now? Every 1 minute candle's averaging, I think, like 20 points. Back then, every 1 minute candle was 100 points, right?
Yeah,
That
that
was
was crazy. My average risk to reward from 2R to 3 went to like a half.
I think I was just getting in positions, and immediately, if price just traded lower into my whatever I wanted, I'd be just up in a few
Yeah.
minutes, few seconds.
Let's
News
now
at
go back to that.
9:45. 2:45. What news do we have? Oh, PMI.
Oh shit, that's actually not good.
Yeah, I want to see what they say for this. Honestly, the way things are shaping up, we should be able to trade higher to go lower for PMI. Like something like this.
6:45. That's always such an awkward time because then you cannot trade before it after open. And
I know.
yeah.
Honestly, I don't even want to trade today.
No, I mean we already
London was
made
the best
profit. Why
one.
would you?
Yeah,
I
true,
find
true.
New York more chopping nowadays, so it doesn't make any sense to trade anyway.
No, New York I find to be one of the worst sessions at the moment compared to everything else.
Although before it used to be very good, but
Yeah,
no, I
like
don't
we're
know
talking
why.
like 6 months ago. There'll be like one day out of New York, I'm like, damn, that was really nice.
Mm-hmm.
But before it used to be consistent every single. It's not like the model or anything just wrong. It's just the delivery is so slow.
Yeah. I think they transferred New York to London.
Low-key, they might have because this was very clean. Like especially holding 50% of the gap
Mm-hmm.
pushes higher was
It's very
very nice.
clean delivery.
Let's see. No way. Where's silver? I wanted to take a look at how silver's doing. these two highs are very sus to me. Like they're very equal. Silver
Hmm.
should be able to run them. You started up like buying up silver, didn't you? And gold. You're the
Gold
real
only. I
man.
didn't do silver yet. I'm selling gold. Does anyone want to buy?
Yes, me.
Yeah.
I'll take 5 ounces.
Oh, I was talking about kgs.
Oh, okay, nah. I'm good on the kgs.
It's actually crazy. Like beginning of this year, you could easily get a deal for like $60,000 per kilogram. Now, the last deal that I was doing, bro, it went for 136,000 per kg.
Oh my
And that
god,
was
that's
just a
crazy.
week ago.
How much is 5 kg right now?
It's about $700,000.
Yeah, I'll take it.
All right.
Done. Deal.
I'll send you the invoice over your email.
Yeah, make sure it's the right email.
You can pick it up in January.
Took the bleep. Nice, bro. Yeah, it was a good trade today. I took the. Well, me and Finn both took the longs up. Good work. What is the number of trades you took to pay out, for example? Then how many? Bro, I don't even know. But if you're taking 100 trades on an eval, something's got to be wrong.
Then
Black
you're
Friday.
either in every single position for like a second, or you're just overtrading way too much.
When is Black Friday? I think it's next week, right?
Next week, Friday is Black Friday. Otherwise, you would have seen.
Yeah, true. I thought it was today. I was like, damn, no promos going on. I remember when Black Friday actually used to be like pretty important back when like Black Ops 2 came out. That's when like Black Friday was Black Friday. Now I don't think it matters too much. Unless you're buying like a prop firm eval, then yeah. That's the new Black Ops 2.
Wow, that's a while back.
Yeah, Black Ops 2 was like 12 years ago. No, 10 years ago. Because back then they had like Nuketown. They were like Nuketown 2025 and it's
Oh yeah.
2025 already. That's crazy.
Back then, when we thought we were gonna have flying cars.
We kind of do, like in a way. There's like technology, like hoverboards and stuff. I know it's not flying, but
Ah, yeah. DLC drops was Black Friday. Yeah, that's true though. Got some
yeah,
sick,
true.
sick DLCs coming out.
I forgot what I bought. I bought like the Black Ops 2. What was it? It was like the Call of Duty Ghost camo or something. Like the graffiti camos. They were really good.
Mm-hmm.
Let's actually pull them up. Let's pull them up, chat. I feel like a real streamer. BO2 DLC.
Chat, what's happening, chat?
Now I'm gonna pull it up, chat. Let me go on my PC. And then you can just hear that clicking. Alright, can I import this? Alright, how do I import this? Okay, image. Can you see it? No, I don't think it's working.
No. I just about the Bitcoin that we were talking about. Someone just messaged me. I'm cooked. I'm like 30K down on crypto right now.
Yeah, a lot of
That's
people are down
properly
right
being
now.
cooked. I mean, if you're not down by now, you are early adopter. You might as well have bought in 2012 as well.
You misunderstood my question. I am asking if 100 trades. Oh, like 100 traders have an account? Probably like one. If I had to
Yes.
really. Like, there's around, I don't know, 1 million retail traders in the world. No, 12 million retail traders in the world. I think about 1 million prop firm traders, 2 million, give or take. I think like 3% of them end up passing an eval, and I think 0.5 get to consistent payout. So if
Yeah.
you're in that threshold or making consistent money, then you're in what I would consider like a top level athlete at that point.
It's literally how the numbers are in life in general. Out of 100 people,
Yeah.
1 will be rich, 4 will be financially independent, 15 will work their job until retirement, and the rest will just like have to use the calculator every single day to come by. So that's about the 79-80% of people.
Yeah, very true. But you can make a change, so don't have to worry.
I
But
assume
heavily,
that we're talking to the 5% of people here
yeah, heavily
that
really
want to get
depends
to the
on
top
yourself
1%.
as well. Like if you really, I mean, most people are too lazy to even do what it takes to even get better at trading or whatever. And it takes a
And
lot
that,
of like self-awareness.
yeah, but like I mean, in trading, you have to think about: are you doing what the top one? Like this sounds very well, how do I say that?
Cliche.
Cliche, yeah. It sounds very cliche, but you have to think about if you're doing what the 1%, top 1% is doing, that are getting consistent payouts, that are getting like payout month after month, or like at least a few payouts a year consistently. Think about if you're doing what the top 1% is doing, or if you're still doing the stupid stuff what the 80% or 79% is doing. Because to
Yo,
be
how's
fair,
life?
a lot in profitability comes from if you're still doing the dumb stuff that you shouldn't be doing.
Yeah, true.
Because even Ralph and I know what not to do. Because if we would do that and would give in with every single thing that you actually want to do, we know that we're not going to get payouts.
Or keep an account.
Because you're aware of that, you know what the result is of it, you're not doing them because you know that's not what's going to help you to get to a payout.
All right, we got 10 seconds until the open. How's life? It's good, bro. I'm seeing Finn on Friday. No, Sunday actually. He's coming all the way from Dubai
Mm-hmm.
for me. We have a huge regulatory hours gap. They should get filled. 24.16. I would assume we take out the high of my time base range. Like take this out 24.291.
We took out the
They
low
should,
already, no?
yeah,
Yeah.
we got the low. They should just blast through the high if it was in a clean market right now. Starting journaling my trades from next week. Can you tell me? Yeah, you should really only journal like the trade you took, the time you took the trade, what you expected before, what happened after. Basically, mostly just in regards to the timing you're taking trades. When you got out, why you got out, all that stuff. You don't need to journal your emotions. We should really blast through this high now. 24.292. Would like a run through there. Hopefully we get it. Hopefully we get the full run higher to like 24,400s. Then we can be looking for the downside. Something like this would be perfect. What indices today?
I'll be very surprised if we don't get it.
I feel like this low is very weak. I don't see them leaving this low from 5 a.m. Either we run the high to go lower or whatever. Do we have... Oh. I think Dow might just be the one that clears everything out. They're going to straight sell it off.
I don't believe that.
You know, every 5-minute candle at the open I've seen has been very, like the small body, large wicks.
Mm-hmm.
All right, come on, let's blast into the high. That was choppy as heck.
It's not supposed to be like that.
No. What is my net worth? What is your net worth?
10 billion. Bro, this guy is 17, man. What could his net worth be?
Mods, ban him. Joking. We should. Why are we still not around this high? It's taking so long.
And Q's struggling again. It's running the high.
Did any of the others? None of the others. Dow will most likely do it then, if none of these guys are wanting to. Yeah, this is pretty much what I'm watching for today, guys. Either we run higher to go lower. I want to see these lows go, though. No, you better not send it. They're going to send it.
I mean,
No,
to be
I'm only
fair, this
joking.
is way too much of a wick to be sent. I would say
This wick, it's going to close with like a small, like, look at yesterday's open. Oh, I don't know if you, yeah, yesterday's open was pretty much 2 wicks to the upside, downside. Tiny body. Now we got 50 seconds to the close. This does not look ideal at all for anything.
this looks like chop, to be fair.
Yeah, if anything, I want the high 24,291 and then this high. That's where I firmly stand behind. I'm getting these two highs. Then we can look for these lows. Or I might just slow down and wait for the open. Sorry, the news at 9:45.
Most likely.
All right, let's see. Yeah, we got large wicks and small bodies, so 50% of either side. It's been ranging through the... Yeah. It's because that was like a large liquidity pool. That was from the tweet that Trump put out, I think, that day that we sold off.
Mm-hmm.
We took out the high, left the low. We'll see what it does. But yeah, I'm waiting on these highs, guys, before the downside. Give me a run at them before we tank it. Oh, something like this. How many points is that? 100 points. I wouldn't be surprised if they actually chopped this market again for the open.
No, I mean, look at the 1 minute. It's just barcode price action. I don't.
Oh,
Wow.
it should expand out. It should blast through, but it might do it in the worst way
Well, I don't think, like, if
possible.
we take out one side, I'm pretty confident that the other side is going to be taken out pretty quickly, because this is literally in a long time I haven't seen barcode price action like this, to be fair. In a
Yeah.
long time.
All right, we gotta run the highs soon. We got to, man. All right, how far are we? 30 points away. Just run the high. Sometimes if you just look without the body wicks, you can just see how disgusting it looks.
Yeah. I wouldn't trust this market at this moment. Just waiting for one side to be taken out.
Should really blast through this. I don't know what we're slowing down for. I don't know what the holdup is here, guys.
It's not looking good.
Oh, of course, Dow. Dow will run it.
Right. And that might actually send it off as well.
Yeah, if they're synced up today. Big if.
True. Big if. ES and wow, look at ES as well. That's terrible. I feel bad for people that got into a trade, because there's literally just nothing to do about it.
Trap some bears. I would like that, you know. I mean, I would like, because we sold off so much, want to see it go higher. To go lower. Hopefully they don't just tank it. If they do, then that's awful. Yes, bro. Consistently though, they've opened from 9:30 to around, I think it's like 10:15, has just been like this.
Mm-hmm. For a
Very
long
choppy.
time. I mean, if we could run the lows now and take like a manipulation out of that consolidation, I would believe to go higher to the range. But other than that, no. It's terrible price action.
The only SMTs, no, not yet.
No.
But more than certain, Dow will run the high. If anything.
Oh yeah.
But the NQ doesn't look like it wants to move so far. This week mostly, yeah. I agree. Even yesterday I was in a short here. Took my break even and they just died. And I'm like,
Wow.
bruh. This is where I had the high. I was pretty sure this was the high. All the way down to here. I was like, no way, we just reverse now. One more run and then tanks it.
That's insane though, to be fair, that drop yesterday. I took a sell, but I could have stayed in way longer than I actually did. But yeah, that was not my model, so
Yeah.
I'm just not the person who puts the TP on hopes and dreams, you know. So that's always the best. TP based on hopes and dreams.
I got break evened. Me and you both, man. That was some. It was actually decent price action, but just the open was terrible. The open was like this. Like, what is this? I'm still looking for this high, but bruh, I don't know how long it's gonna take to get there.
Might take some time. Or we just blast through now, but
I don't believe in leaving runners, to be honest. I think hard TPing or just having a trailed stop is better.
I don't believe in partials either.
Yeah,
I don't take partials ever. I just think it ruins your risk to reward.
not true. Especially if you have. I mean,
Plus,
you
if
have
you have like a
limited.
2R trade, what do you want to do partials on? Truly.
Yeah, true. Keep dumping. I hope it does dump once we push higher. Like I want to see 24,293 and 24,400 before we go lower. Come on, this has to be the pump. If it's not, then I'm bored of this price action. We'll just have to wait until the news and sit through this chop. You know it gets bad when I'm on the 1 minute time frame. I just got bored of the M5 today.
Truly.
Scaling in's good, but you gotta
Scaling
be
in is
logical
good, yeah.
about your scaling in.
I can't believe this chop is insane.
Yeah, it's really finding it hard to get above here. It'll stop pumping after 11 a.m. Yeah, probably. They'll stop pumping when no one, or it'll stop moving when no one's in a trade.
And everyone
It'll
got
chop
stopped
everyone out until.
I know what the worst thing is. Most people will blow their account before it as well.
Yeah, true.
Or hit their daily loss limit or like get paused or something. That always happens before before the market just tanks or pumps.
Yeah, PMI should be just like a straight one-sided candle. I know you caught London. Yeah, I caught the longs. This was my long up to here that I got out. Bro, London's been way better than this. Because in New York, there's more margin for error. I don't think that, like in London and stuff, you don't have that many margins for error, you know? Like the market might slow down, it won't chop like this. So you can be a bit more lenient.
This is the most amount of chop I've seen in a long time, by the way.
I see this chop every day. I swear it just
Every
looks like this
day?
every day. I swear the first 10 minutes you just look like this, but
Nah, but
today's
not
been the
like
15.
this. Nah, not like this, where you literally look at the 2 minute and the 3 minute and the 1 minute even. Like it's literally going down, up, down, up, down, up. It's literally a barcode. I don't even know what to tell you guys right now.
I think we'll just have to see what PMI does, but I'm more than certain that'll be just like a one candle. Took any trade? Yeah, if you follow my model, I took like longs from the London range. Or the London blueprint range. Alright, 5 seconds until PMI. Let's see what we do.
Wow.
That was nothing.
That even doesn't do anything.
M5 still holding up this gap though. What's the 15 looking like? It wants lower. I know it wants this low, but I want it to just poke above that high again. Give me one more poke. Asia was good. It was. Yeah, I thought Asia was good as well. I looked at it later on. Holy YM died, bro. This is what I
Oh, wow.
kind of expect the same for NQ.
I would hope it would take the high first, though. Well, I'm not going to
Yeah,
hope.
I'd hope
I
this happened, though.
I would just think, yeah.
If we tank it, then we tank it. Can't do.
That's just today's markets.
It's today's price action. Like, especially if it builds up like a trend line like this, it's going to blast through it. Should just drop straight through. No. They're tanking it.
It's tanking. It's going there. It's getting there.
At least we hold up 50% of this gap. Damn, Dow's gone. Is ES gonna go? Is any of these guys gonna go?
I mean, that is one big of a SMT though.
Can I break down my analysis? Bro, this is all I'm looking for. I'm just looking for it to go higher to go lower. My analysis is mainly just based on my range. We're taking out the low. Mechanically, I just want to see the high get taken before it trades lower. If it just tanks, then it tanks. So I pretty much have this as my main draw, this low. But I want to see this get taken to go lower. Would be the most ideal. What's my bias? My bias is bullish to be bearish. These are like, if you guys can see, these are the lines. If you look to the right, it'll give you numbers of areas I'm looking at. So like main level 24,293, and then the next one 24,403. What's the cat's bias? Yeah, that's the most important thing. What's your cat's bias today, Finn?
Yo, she said bearish. She chose the bearish bull today. The bull. Yeah, bull. Cat's bias is bearish. So far, the cat never been wrong.
Yeah, he hasn't.
It's like it's not automated trading. But I mean, it helps. You know.
If it gets to the high, he's gonna do it in one candle. This price action, bro.
Well, it's still got some resistances on the way, so
yeah,
nothing is sure yet. I mean, you know, like when YM is dying off like this, it's really hard to go against it on NQ. So
no, very true. You gotta dress your cat as a bear.
crazy.
That would be pretty funny.
Well,
dressing your cat as a bear. Alright. This is awful to watch. It's like today, you guys.
I know many people that will be in a trade right now, and that's painful for them.
To be honest, any other day I would long this market to this high.
No, after seeing that chop. No.
Yeah, this my mental peace is worth more though than being in a trade.
Yeah, exactly.
Than having to sit through seeing it drop, pump, drop, pump.
No, that's just painful. I mean, in any other day, this would have taken me out on break even anyway. Still painful
any other
to watch.
better day, we wouldn't even have this chop.
True. Would have just been clean price action.
One of those suffering. I'm hoping it plays out.
Watching the price action. Yeah, no, this is very painful to watch. I was hoping not anyone, no one would get into a trade like this, but you know, what to do.
What metrics matter the most? Mostly trade duration, and then the time I took the trade. and then the timer lost or took my TP or whatever.
It's pretty funny to look at my statistics because my average TP takes like 15 minutes, and my average stop loss, whatever it might be on break even or a loss, will be 45 minutes.
Really?
So when I'm in a trade for a very long time, I know I'm gonna. When I'm like, oh, okay, this is a little bit ambitious target, but anyways, that's where the draw is. Then I would get stopped on break even. Yeah.
Yeah.
Swear.
My trade durations are like 15 minutes, 20 minutes.
Even the losses, is it the same?
No, the losses are probably like 5 minutes.
Wow. Okay.
Like if I'm wrong, then it'll just
Makes a little bit
immediately
more
take me out.
sense.
Yeah. If I'm wrong, then it'll just immediately take me out. Bro, can we go through the high? NQ about bust through the high. I hope so. If it doesn't, then
Well, it should be doing that.
we're gonna. Oh, should we get the hammer? Yes, let's get the hammer. Right, now we have to go higher. This has to go. This has to. We'll put the unicorn here.
Put a magnet as well. Maybe it helps.
Yeah, the magnet's got to help. Where is the magnet? I can't find the magnet. Push, push, push. Why is the market slow today? It's because we sold off like 2,000 points yesterday.
But to be fair, 90% of the time a London session is good. New York is so bad. So bad.
Dude is working. The hammer's actually pushing it.
Push it. Push it. Push more. Hit harder.
I'm trying. Now, this is where we should blast higher, guys. If we don't, then...
Place a rocket.
Oh, yeah. I can't find it.
I usually have something like a magic marker if I would draw an arrow.
I can't find it. This has to pop.
As long as you keep hitting.
Come on.
I mean, it shouldn't have any other resistances. We have got trend line liquidity there as well. So
there we go. Yes. Nearly there. Come on. I'm telling you, this hammer never, like, it doesn't disappoint. I've seen it.
It doesn't fail.
Yes. There we go. All right, we're done.
I love how the eye is there as well.
All right, there we go. The eye and the unicorn played out. All right, you guys should have TP'd right now. The hammer is too good. Now let's see if we get the last push. I mean,
are you now gonna hammering down?
No, I'm done. The hammer's very like, it's like Thor's hammer, bro. Once you use the power, you can't use it again.
All right, I don't know how Thor's hammer works.
Yeah, you don't know? Yeah,
no, I don't know.
It loses its power now because we've already abused it. So now we can't.
Okay.
Now we
so you can only note down, guys. You can only use it once per trade session. So you have to be very careful when you use it.
Yeah, like we've used up most of the power from the hammer. It's already played out. So now we just wait.
You know what they say in Spider-Man, right? Great power comes with great responsibility. So
yes, that's right.
Be responsible with the hammer.
Did you guys take that? You guys must have taken that. Like, this is my majestic range. And then the hammer played out.
Yo, we're already at 5 minutes before the end of the stream.
Oh, yeah. See that? Me and Finn got you guys the TP and the hammer within an hour as well. But if you did get chopped up within this price section, I'm sorry to hear that because it was pretty bad. It was pretty bad until we brought out the hammer.
It was pretty painful to watch.
Yeah. And now we can sell it off now, I think.
We can send it off, yeah.
Should we just hammer it down?
Yeah, hammer it down. No, wait. You can only use it once.
Yeah, true. I don't want to abuse the power.
Don't use up more.
Yeah.
Don't abuse Thor's power, you know.
Finn, how much are you floating in profit?
What?
Someone asked, how much are you floating in profit?
Minus 100,000. No, I'm kidding. I didn't take the trade because, you know, I already took it this morning and I don't want to waste my mental peace on this price action, to be fair.
But I mean, at least you guys knew our framework. Looking for the high, looking for 24,293, and then the hammer really got it pushed through.
Although I'm looking lower now, there is nothing I would take right now.
Yeah, I think now we should be able to get the run of these lows.
Yeah.
I don't see them leaving it, but I don't know. Thanks. Yeah, we're gonna see some W's in the chat. This all came from the hammer, and
maybe you can try to hammer it down so that we're right on the bias today. And my cat as well. Yeah, please like and subscribe, guys. And how many subscribers are we now? Yeah,
you like rarely. If you guys actually tune into the streams, me and Finn have rarely been wrong about the bias or draw.
Yeah.
Maybe it won't happen within the stream. It might happen like 2 hours later, but still, that's something.
At least we're right about the bias and the narrative most of the time.
And most people,
I think we
that's
never
like the $1 million
wrong,
question as well. You know,
what?
Like where is the market wanting to go? If you can identify that with somewhat confidence, then you're doing a lot better. W's is the word W today. It's got to be.
It is gonna be. It's already 59, 9:59.
All right, yeah. Should we pick the winners for the
pick
stream?
W's?
W's, yeah. We have 2 winners today. So if you guys just spam W's, we'll pick the winners. But hopefully you took the longs with us, or took the longs with the hammer.
All right, you pick one, I pick one.
All right, I'm gonna pick it right now. So the first winner I got is Ivelo. All right, that's the first winner I got. Let's see who Finn picks.
See who the other one is. I'm just spamming through the chat here. Dr. Scalper. Congratulations, man, on your giveaway count.
Damn. All right, nice. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this stream. Got a very nice trade out here. Well, took forever to get there, but you know, the hammers had to come in clutch. If you guys do have any questions or anything, just leave it in the comments on this video. We'll be back live on Monday. It's always been a pleasure. So enjoy your weekend and be safe, and don't do anything stupid for the rest of the day. All right, take it easy, everyone.
Take it easy, guys. Have a nice Friday. Have a nice weekend.